Are you strong or weak? The truth about who controls your life. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've never been in control of your own life. Your job, chosen because it was the safest option. Your relationships, built on what others expected from you. Your goals, shaped by society, not by what you truly want. Now here's the real question. Are you strong or are you weak? Not physically, not just mentally, but in the way you face life itself. Because strength isn't just about lifting weights or pushing through pain. It's about who's really in charge of your life, you or the world around you. By the end of this video, you'll know the truth, and it might shock you. Part 1. The illusion of strength. Most people think they're strong just because they can endure suffering. They wake up every day, go to work, deal with stress, pay their bills, and repeat. But here's the thing. Surviving is not the same as thriving. Real strength isn't just about taking hits from life. It's about whether you're fighting the right battles in the first place. Let me ask you, do you wake up excited for the day, or do you drag yourself out of bed? Do you make decisions based on your true desires, or do you just go with the flow? Are you creating your future, or are you just reacting to what happens? If you don't like the answers, then maybe you're weaker than you think. Part 2. The two types of people. There are two types of people in this world, and whether you like it or not, you're one of them. Type 1. The controlled. They let their emotions dictate their actions. They make excuses instead of progress. They care more about what others think than what they truly want. When they fail, they blame their past, their family, the economy, anything but themselves. Type 2. The controllers. They own their decisions, good or bad. They don't waste time complaining. If something goes wrong, they adapt. They are not ruled by fear. They take risks, learn, and keep moving. When they fail, they ask, what can I learn from this? And try again. So, let's be honest. Which one are you? Most people think they're in control, but when life gets hard, their actions reveal the truth. Real strength isn't about what you say, it's about how you act when things go wrong. Part 3. The test of true strength. Let's find out how strong you really are. Take a moment and answer these questions honestly. When something bad happens, do you look for solutions, or do you complain? When you fail, do you give up, or do you learn and try again? When someone doubts you, do you let it stop you, or do you push forward? Do you chase comfort, or do you seek growth, even when it's painful? If you answered honestly, you already know if you're strong or weak. But here's the good news. Weakness isn't permanent. Part 4. How to become strong, even if you feel weak right now. If you realize you're not as strong as you thought, don't worry, because strength can be built. Step 1. Own everything. Weak people blame their problems on the past, their parents, their boss, the government, anything but themselves. Strong people, they take responsibility for everything in their life. Why? Because if something is your fault, then you have the power to change it. Step 2. Seek discomfort. If you're always comfortable, you're not growing. The strongest people in history didn't become powerful by staying in their comfort zones. They did what was a key, hard to do. They took risks. They faced fear. Ask yourself, when was the last time you did something that truly scared you? Have you ever willingly put yourself in a situation where you might fail? Are you challenging yourself daily or just surviving? The stronger you want to be, the more you have to embrace discomfort. Step 3. Control your mindset. Most people quit before they even try. They tell themselves, "I'm not smart enough. I don't have time. It's too late for me." That's not reality. That's weakness talking. If you want to be strong, you have to rewire your mind. Instead of, "I can't do this," I haven't mastered it yet. Instead of, "I'm not good enough," say, "While I'm learning and I'll get better." Instead of, "What if I fail?" say, "What if I succeed?" Your mind can be your greatest weapon or your worst enemy. Choose wisely. Step 4. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. Weak people waste energy on things they can't change. They get angry at the past. They argue with people who don't matter. They obsess over things outside their control. Strong people, they focus only in on what they can change. You can't change your past, but you can change your future. You can't control others, but you can control how you respond. You can't predict everything, but you can prepare for anything. Real strength is knowing the difference. So now you know the truth. The real question is, are you ready to take control? Or will you keep letting life push you around? Most people will watch this video, agree with it, and then do nothing. But some, a small percentage, will make a choice. They'll take back control. They'll break free from weakness. Which one are you? If you're ready to become stronger, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally, then stick around. Because in this channel, we don't just talk about change. We make it happen. If you made it this far, it means something inside you wants to change. But watching isn't enough. You need to take action. Here's your first step. Subscribe now, because every video on this channel will push you, challenge you, and make you stronger. Leave a comment. What's one weakness you're ready to overcome? Watch this next video, because if you thought this was powerful, what's coming next will blow your mind. The choice is yours. Strength or weakness? And remember, only the strong take action.